Yeah, may I say, good afternoon. Yeah, to all of the Jamaican people, YouTube, yeah, fans them, subscribers, big up on yourself. Blessed day to you, you see me I say. What me I talk about today is about love, you see what me I say. And you know woman, you have some woman, we are real dog. And you have some man, we are real dog. And you have some woman out there, we are, you see all the me pen girl them, be careful of somebody, them are general. You see what me I say? Yeah man, them somebody me pen girl them are real general and can artists. Yeah man, then we talk to like everything is good, but some of them fucked up. I tell you that. Yeah, all Portland girl them, yeah man, some of them are general. You have good and bad everywhere, but you have some of them are general. You have some girls, them have another man that dig out them soul. Yeah. And then now get nothing from the man, but you are the only man we are kind to them and show them love. And you them a push up. So who you think want you? Don't want you. You see what me I say? So enough of them people, enough of them women and no good people. And you have enough man out there and no good woman. But you have enough of them young girls here. I do all kind of something. Enough of them big women here do all kind of something. I this nobody here class, but a reality. That's what me I say. Everybody do what they have to do, yes, but there's a way to do certain things. You have to show respect to yourself certain ways. So me I say, yeah. So me I agree with Jennings. We do them I say, somebody woman them a whore and so. And enough of them a go to church a whore. Especially some out in the world, them a whore. For real. Yeah, especially some of them who set the example, the bigger woman them, who set the example. You see me? You have some girl about 15, 10 man and them don't really care. But people want to say, because I feel them something and them do what them to do. But later on when them start to dead out inside now, that's how them going to see what people say. Which me not really tell them how to live their life, that's what I say. But when I say I love somebody, you put the vote and show the respect and the due to that person. But you have some girl, them I tell you about them baby father, and oh you know if you call them when them there in yard, you know? Which mean you call a woman when them there them yard with them man. Because there can be a different man and almost them baby father. But them use the baby father as excuse. You see me? I mean I disrespect woman and violate, but some of them are dog in a certain way which them are run up and down and do all kind of fuckery to themselves and feel say a man them are hurt. And themselves them are blood clot hurt. That's what me I say, straight. Me not violate. For real. So when a girl feels that she do something to spite a man, or she gonna give a man bun. Because look, you have some girls, you know, them know say you're kind, you know, and them take a set from your blood clot, you know, but same time the man will dig out them belly. Him now have nothing to do with them and give them, you know. Because what? The man realize that it's a man like him she want. She just want to get paid diggings in her belly and nothing behind it. And some of them will tell us, you know, so them run them thing. Because them believe say you're idiot. But some of them girls come like dog shit, brother. You know, like, both young and adult woman. I mean, say man out there we are dog shit, you know. Don't get me wrong. But there are some women that have no respect for themselves. There are some young girls that have no respect for themselves. They may tell us them have a man which is more than one man. Check some of them phone. And more than one man number in their phone. You see me? Yeah, and you tell them some of them have all 5 different man, 10 different man, we have pay all kind of bill for them. So I say, and then run them body till them body run down and can't. And when them find the right person to love them, that the person say, nah, go stay because nothing get them stay for all them things stay. That's what I say. So I'm curious them look good. Some of them are dead inside with some dangerous blood clot disease. And I tell you that straight, no violation thing. Yeah. I wonder and I say that. I respect woman to the fullest. Because I have mother and I have brother and sister. I have brother and I have sister. That's what I say. But I not violate. I just told me see what I go on in the world. And then again, people have to do what they have to do. But there's means and ways how to do it. That's what I say. I'm not going to say me go on like me not buy ore and all these things. I buy ore. But them people there, them know how to control them things. That's what I say. But you have some girls that sell. And I go on like them not sell. And go on them have some good up girl when them a dog shit. That's what I say. And some girl out there agree to bad man and say yes, them life will go good. Sometimes a bitter your life will get bitter and we can stay there. None of them girls don't want a man who are working. Oh, Yeah, man. Enough of them girls don't want a man who work. Enough of them girls want a man who a bad man, we a gun man, we can, you know. They don't want a man like all me, we are work. A few women might stay with a man who I work right now. And enough of them girls have car yeah, too. Can the man have car, because me that shot to one up in the hills and shot him about a car man she love. And I say, oh, the girl them I love car man. Me know the girl them love car man, but you hear me? No found no girl that love car man, I use you not get bumbo car too. You can tell them that straight. Because car man really want to know. You can get a fuck out of one and that's it. That's what I say. Real love come from out of nothing. That me I tell you now. You see me? And all the woman never breathe and want to give man jacket. You go find no bumbo like baby father. That's what I say. Because you know put in a set trap for yourself. The man kill you now. That's what I say. You go find the real pooper. And find a man who really want to pick me and love you. And love you. And say boy I'm damn help the mind to pick me. But if you know that, and you know the pooper, go find the pooper brother. Because some other woman set trap for themselves every blood clot. You just like how some man set trap for themselves every day. That's what I say. Straight. That's how the thing go, man. Yeah, man. So, real love comes from the heart. And if I want don't love you for you, move along until you find that one. That's what I say. Yeah, move along. Yeah, man, move along. If you treat a girl good or a girl treat a man good and you find out that the man now look your way and you not see what you do for him, move along, man. And if a man treat a girl good and you not see, she appreciate what she do, what you do for her. Move along, not in no argument. You see me? Even though I tell one day for me that murder her, you see me I say? Because me cannot do my thing and then you have to tell me fuck your mind like you are, you know? So I say watch out, send on and make me move along. That's what I do it. You don't rate me, you give me back my sitting brother and me move along. You see me? Or if that, me allow you with it. Straight me I tell the world this. Yeah. But real love comes from the heart. You see me? And when I love somebody out and nothing off who them is, that is love. Nobody can match up that. But you have some of them bumbuck like that, yeah. I feel high flight them want to live and then you come out and start rotting inside. That's what I say. Straight. Make sure you love somebody for who them is. Or you stick to who you fucking know. That's what I say. Straight.